Hola everyone and welcome to my channel. Today's video is a video no one asked for. My everyday makeup tutorial. Since most of us will be at home for the next month or two, I decided to show you guys how I do my makeup, and I also might upload more makeup looks. Excuse my ugly lighting, I'm using a small LED lamp since my ceiling light isn't that good. For primer, I like to use the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer on my cheeks and nose to fill out my pores, especially since my nose looks like a strawberry. I like to blend it out with my fingers using a press and pull motion. I'm going to do my eyebrows off camera since it's a process, but if you want to see my eyebrow routine, let me know. Before this lockdown, when I would go out, I wouldn't wear foundation on a daily basis since it's too heavy for my skin, so I would usually just wear concealer. The concealer I like to use is the e.l.f. Hydrating Satin Finish Camo Concealer. My shade is medium beige. I also like to use the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Magic Star Concealer in the shade C10. Now the e.l.f. concealer is a bit darker than my skin tone, and the Jeffree Star Concealer is lighter than my skin tone, so I like to mix the two so I can match my skin. I apply the e.l.f. concealer where I would contour, like my forehead, chin, my cheeks, a bit on my nose, and a bit under the outer corner of my eyes. For the Jeffree Star Concealer, I apply a bit on my nose, under my eyes, and everywhere I apply the e.l.f. concealer so I can mix the two. The blending sponge I'm using is by LA Colors. I'll try and find a link to it because it's really good for the price. Now I like to prime my eyes because they're oily, and since I always wear eyeliner, I want it to last as much as possible. The primer I use is by Milani in the color Nude, and I blend it out with the same sponge on the pointy end. Now if I have time, I try and apply eyeshadow, and it depends on what I'm wearing. For example, since I'm wearing a pink sweatshirt, I'm going to apply a pink eyeshadow. I'm using the James Charles X Morphe palette and using the color Skip, which is a perfect hot pink to match my sweatshirt. I'm blending that color into my crease using the e.l.f. eye blending brush, and depending on my mood, I either leave the shape rounded, but for today I'm swooping it out a bit. I always wear eyeliner when I do my makeup, and if I'm on the mood, I like to wing it out, but usually I like just lining my lash line. Now with this look, I'm going to wing it out, but I can barely draw a wing on a normal day, let alone on camera, so I'm going to draw a wing off camera. The eyeliner I like to use is the Matte Liquid Eye Liner by House Laboratories in the shade Punk. Since my lashes like to curl down, I always curl my lashes. I also apply mascara, whether I wear eyeshadow or not. For today, I'm using the e.l.f. Plump It Up Mascara in black. Now if I'm not wearing eyeshadow, I don't wear false lashes and just wear mascara. But when I do wear eyeshadow, I wear false lashes. The ones I like to use are the Demi Wispy Lashes by Ardell, and I use the clear Kiss Strip Lash Glue. I don't wear bronzer or contour when I go out, but I do like to wear blush since it looks cute, and I also like to use liquid blush. The one I use is the Maybelline Cheek Heat in the color Coral Ardent. This one I like to blend with my fingers, mainly on the apples of my cheeks, and take it a bit back. Next, I apply my liquid highlighter. Sometimes I wear powder highlight, but I usually wear liquid highlighter since my skin is dry, and I like the look and feeling of liquid. My go-to liquid highlighter is the Jeffree Star Liquid Frost, and the shade I'm using is Frostbite, and I like to blend it out with my fingers on the high points of my cheek. I also like to use the e.l.f. small smudge brush to apply the highlighter down the bridge of my nose and on the tip of my nose. For powder, I switch between two, and for today, I'm using the Coty Airspun Translucent Loose Face Powder, and I only apply it under my eye using the same sponge to set my concealer so it doesn't crease. Now, depending on the outfit I'm wearing, I like to match either my eyeshadow or my lipstick to my outfit, but I don't have many lipstick colors, so if I don't have a certain color, I like to wear just a lip gloss, and today I'm using the House Laboratories Le Riot Lip Gloss in the shade Venus. I set my face off camera using the Rimmel Stay Matte Fix and Go 2-in-1 setting spray, since I did a different look that I posted on TikTok and Instagram. And if you want to see what I did, check out the links in the description box. And this is my final look. If you like this video, you can subscribe to my channel, watch another video, and turn on the notification bell to get notified when I upload a new video. I'll also leave links to my Snapchat and Twitter if you want to follow me on there as well. I'll see you all in the next one. Adios!